Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and now make sure that you're on the video mode. It's right here. Now you can tap on the settings, they should be in the middle. And as you can see on the very left, we've got the resolution option, so we can change it by tapping on it. And as you can see, the quality is simply changing. If you want to record videos in chosen quality, simply make sure that it appears right here, for example 720p, and from now on we will record videos in the chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.